Here with a look at Gala games, we're starting to hit some of our first price targets here at 0.022. That next one is at 0.024. All right, and if we go out on a weekly on this thing, you can see this is a clear breakout. All right, now let me get this fib off here so you can see it. But we're obviously breaking out here. All right, which is beautiful. What's even more beautiful is this monthly RSI. Look at this thing, just right at the bottom. It's just starting up. So that could be, this thing could have a potential for a really nice run coming. Okay, just a regular retrace on this thing. This thing went up to 84 cents. A regular retrace, just back to a 618, which is perfectly normal, would put this thing up at 52 cents. So I'm not saying that's what's coming, all right, but normally when you have a run up and a fall down, you get a retrace up to a 618 or 702 and then a push back down. All right, I don't know if that's what's coming. We'll just have to wait that out, take it a step at a time here. All right, but we got that monthly RSI just starting up. We got the weekly at a 98 and a 74. All right, you can see where that puts us as far as this breakout started. Yeah, this thing's just starting out. The daily is it just flipping back up at a 53 and a 48. Your 12-hour is at a 90 and a 78. All right, I'm looking right here. Your 8-hour is at a 90 and a 75. And your 4 is at a 86 and an 84. So this thing, we're going to look at some price levels here in a second. You can see volume is up 77%, 160 million over the last 24 hours. So up 77.15%. The market cap is up 7.6%. All right, the crypto bubbles for the day, rank number 79, and here's the top 100. All right, so having a pretty decent day out there. Looks like Bitcoin's about ready to run again. Now let's look at some price targets for Gala. Okay, let's go back out on the daily here and look at our first price targets that we had here, which we went off of this first high right over here with a fib, and we are just hitting those targets. Okay, at 0.022 we've hit it. The next target up is at 0.024. All right, and if we get through 2.5 cents, then we're going to move this up to this range up here. All right, then we got higher targets up here that we're going to be looking at. All right, we should probably have it up there anyway, because I believe we're going to get up through that 2.5 cents, and this thing could really start getting rolling. If you go out in the weekly here, let's take a look at something here. Quite honestly, is that where that's, let's see here. I believe we're going to be at least up in this range here, up to the 4-5 cent area. I believe off this first run here, I think that's probably where we should have it, because I believe that's where we're heading, especially with that monthly RSI. Like I said, this thing could really get ripping here pretty soon. That breakout is just starting, and I believe Gala has a long way up to go here yet. So, all right, guys, thanks a lot. We're going to take a look at this once it starts some more price action. But if it gets through that 2.5 cents, then we'll look at these higher prices and go from there. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon.